Welcome to our today's session. In this session, we are going to learn a subunit in the biosphere, that is the factors that affect the lifestyle of human, and due to that, what are the problems created to the human beings. Right. So let's see the factors that affects the lifestyle. First is the industrialization, urbanization, commercial agriculture, irrigation system, and the utilizing materials and energy abundantly and differently, right? So due to these factors, the humans get some problems. Those are the
growth of non-contagious diseases and disabilities. So now let's go through what are the diseases caused by these. So mainly chronic kidney disease, then diabetics, cancer, heart disease,
pulmonary disease, wheezing, gastritis, and catarrhs. So in this video, let's focus on the factors that affects the lifestyle of human. So the first is the industrialization. So they are firstly from an agricultural society, they turns to a society that produces goods and services, right? So see the process by which a country transforms primarily from an agricultural society to a society that produce goods and services is called industrialization, right? So this is one effect that affects the lifestyle of human, right? Then next is the urbanization. So industrialization, there you had the development in the industries. Now here in the urbanization, the aggregation of people in areas with abundant resource with a growth of human population is called the urbanization. So you can see here in 2015 there was 4 billion, then 35 billion, and in 50 6 billion. So this is the human growth population, right? So this is due to the urbanization. What happens? So people start to migrate from villages to city in search of the employments and for their comfortable life. So these affects the lifestyle of human, right? Then the next, that is the commercial agriculture. So that is a large scale agriculture which exceeds the substances from food production, and commercial intentions are called the commercial agriculture. So what they do, they use modified agricultural equipments or the machineries. So due to that, the lifestyle has been changed. So use of modified varieties to obtain productive harvest, right? To have a good harvest, and the agrochemicals and the machineries are taken into consideration. So that is called the commercial agriculture. So you can see here to have a productive harvest, and they use varieties of machineries. Irrigation system. So earlier times, the people depend on the rainwater. So they collected rainwater and they used for the agricultural activities. But after after sometimes, instead of depending on direct rainwater, they constructed tanks, ponds, reservoirs, canals, dams, and tunnels to obtain water for the agricultural purpose. So you can see here the different ways they have collected water for the irrigation, for the agriculture. So these are considered as the irrigation system. Okay, next is the utilizing materials and energy abundantly and differently. So what they have done to make the work easy, they minimize the labor and they gave more work for the machineries. So that also affected the lifestyle of human. See, due to the technological development and complex needs of life, materials harmful to the environment in a great extent are being used while minimum labor is spent. whereas machinery is used consuming energy. So this is another effect that changes the lifestyle of human. So these are the factors that affects the lifestyle. So in the next video, we'll see due to this, what are the problem that is created to human.